If you don't want to sell more of what you have to offer, then skip this video right now. I'll wait. Good, you're still here. Now, I'm assuming you want to sell more, but there's a reason why you're not selling more. And I want to be straight up with you because I'm a straight up person. The reason why you're not selling more is because you're probably passionate about your business as a small business owner, but I hate to break it to you, you're probably the reason why your company isn't going to the next level. You think you can continue to do things the way you've always done it and that you're going to get different results. Well, an apple seed produces an apple tree, and an apple tree produces apples. So if you're not getting the results you want, it's because the seeds that you're planting are not meant to produce the results that you say you want. So that's why it's important to let a marketing expert like myself and my team come in, lift up the hood of your organization to see what you've been doing on the internet prior to this moment and give you a different perspective, because we're not in your industry. We're going to be looking at your company as a consumer would be looking at your company. So that's the thing. You got to get out of your mind as a business owner and look at your company through the eyes of the person that's going to be purchasing what you have to offer. And right now we have some special formulas that can help you take your company to the next level in regards to your internet presence so that you can get more opt-ins and ultimately get more sales. That's what it's about. You want to put more money in the bank. Let's be honest with you. You can come up with this novel idea about what you want to do and why you want to do it. But at the end of the day, you need to be depositing some money in the bank, and money only comes from other people. And if you want to get people in front of your brand and your brand in front of the right people, I suggest that you try to fit in some time on my busy schedule so that I can take a look at what you have going on and I can give you an unbiased opinion on what I think you should do to take your company to the next level. I've done it for thousands of people at this point. We have reviews all on Google, and our proof is in the pudding. If you trust us and not a control freak, if you're not a control freak, because we don't want to work with control freaks, let's just be honest. We don't want to work with control freaks. We want to work with somebody that trusts us to do what we can do. If you want more money in the bank, let us do that for you. Let us put some more in there. Stop overthinking it. Stop analyzing it all the way. Stop thinking that you have to control every aspect of your company. Your job is to run your company and to grow your company, okay? Let us come in and put it in front of the right people. We can do it for you. Now, my schedule is busy, but if I have some time, which you can see by clicking the link below this video, if I have some time, I'd love to sit down with you and talk about how we can help you take your company to the next level. Let's do it. What do you got to lose? You're already not getting the results that you want, so you have nothing to lose. I can pull up your competition's results on the internet, see what they're doing, compare that to what you're doing, and we can work out something to help you get your brand out there to the next level. If you want to have a conversation with me, all you got to do is click the link below this video. That's going to take you to my schedule. And if you see some time in there where I'm available and you want to have a conversation, if you want to set up a Zoom meeting or a phone call, let's do it. I'm looking to take you to the next level, but only if you're open to it. It's Robbie Cornelius. A lot of people call me the Southern Web Developer. I look forward to talking to you. Bye.